Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the short digraph A-E words. When there is a consonant between the letter A and the letter E, this rule is applied. When you see such words, you have to read the letter A as A and not as phonics A. The letter E in such words remains silent. For example, let's try reading this word here. This word is read as k, a, k, cake. We will not read the letter E in this word because it remains silent. Let's try reading some more words with the same rule. A, t, eight. G, a, m, game. L, a, n, lane. G, a, t, gate. R, a, k, rake. T, a, l, tail. S, a, f, safe. L, a, k, lake. M, a, k, make. B, a, k, bake. Thanks for reading with me today, children. I hope this video was useful for you. Bye bye.